point is that if you adjust a kid and it hurts them, they will never want you to touch them ever. And I don't want that either. And what happened for me is I was adjusting my own kids, and they gave me feedback and said, Dad, that hurt when you did that. And I'm like, oh, I don't. They have the permission to tell me I'm their dad, but a kid's not necessarily going to tell me that. They're going to tell their mom later, and then they're not going to want to get adjusted, which is a tragedy. You know, these kids need to get adjusted.